Welcome to our channel, your ultimate destination for Indian mythology GQ quiz. So get ready to learn, play and explore the fascinating world of Indian mythology. So without any delay, let's start with our first question. In Mahabharat, Devrata was the other name of option A Arjun, option B Bhishma, option C Krishna, option D Balaram. Correct answer is option B Bhishma. Question 2. Which one is the first avatar of Lord Vishnu from his Dashavatar? Option A Matsya, option B Kurma, option C Varaha, option D Narasimha. Correct answer is option A Matsya. Question 3. In Narasimha avatar, Lord Vishnu killed option A Hiranyakashipu, option B Bali, option C Ravan, option D Mayasura. Correct answer is option A Hiranyakashipu. Question 4. In which yuga Sri Rama was born in Ayodhya? Option A Satya Yuga, option B Treta Yuga, option C Dwapara Yuga, option D Kali Yuga. Correct answer is option B Treta Yuga. Question 5. Sati, wife of Lord Shiva, was the daughter of option A Kubera, option B Daksha Prajapati, option C Himavan, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option B Daksha Prajapati. If you enjoy testing your knowledge and want more exciting Indian mythology GK quizzes, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also tell us in the comment which mythology topic you want next. We would love to create quizzes for you. Question 6. Who wrote down the epic Mahabharata while Vyasa was dictating? Option A Narada, option B Vishwakarma, option C Ganesh, option D Shiva. Correct answer is option C Ganesh. Question 7. Who brought the river goddess Ganga to earth from the heavens? Option A Sri Rama, option B Krishna, option C Bhagirath, option D Raja Harishchandra. Correct answer is option C Bhagirath. Question number 8. In which yuga Krishna was born? Option A Satya Yuga, option B Treta Yuga, option C Dwapara Yuga, option D Kali Yuga. Correct answer is option C Dwapara Yuga. Question 9. For how many days was the Battle of Kurukshetra was fought? Option A 12, option B 18, option C 15, option D 8. Correct answer is option B 18. Question 10. What was the real name of Valmiki, the writer of Ramayana? Option A Basuki, option B Devabrata, option C Ratnakara, option D Partha. Correct answer is option C Ratnakara.